All right, next in our sales roles, we're going to be talking about lead generators and business development reps. Lead generators or business development reps are the hunters for your organization. They go out and find the leads for you. So this is primarily in outbound sales. In inbound sales, they're going to separate the wheat from the chaff to qualify the customers before handing them off to the salespeople. And this is typically a role you hire once your sales organization has begun to scale, so your salespeople can focus on what they're best at, which is closing deals and establishing relationships instead of spending time trying to get the meetings and finding the right people to talk to. But we'll talk more about the process for generating leads later on. But here are some qualities to look for in your business development reps and lead generators. So they understand how people buy and what buying triggers are. Buyers are very informed nowadays, which has led to the death of many retail sales positions and even the slow decline in car sales. But in B2B sales, the rep still needs to be able to take the potential customer from the curiosity and education stage to the interest stage where they're ready to buy. The other quality you want to look for is that they ask great questions. You may have heard from some other salespeople about identifying pain points and amplifying them, and then you hear salespeople ask stupid questions like, so what's the biggest issue that your company's facing, or with the product or service that they're positioning themselves against? And that's a terrible question. You need your reps to ask smart questions in order to figure out what the pain point is and build consensus around that your product offers that solution. You also want to find people that set goals and make plans to achieve them. Goal setting is pretty basic, but the second part of this is key. Many people create goals, but they don't spend any time or effort thinking about how they're going to achieve them. So when finding your reps, ask them questions about their goals and how they plan to achieve them. And if they can provide a somewhat coherent answer, then you might have a winner. If they have a very coherent answer and very clear plan, then that person is probably going to be a great hire. Even if you think their plan to get to their goal is not correct, it shows that they at least made the attempt to figure it out. And also, you want to find people that are results-oriented and curious in nature. Some salespeople are more process-oriented, which is great for setting up complex deals, but your biz dev reps need to be hunters. They need to be able to go out, get the leads, and curiosity is key because it will cause them to dig deeper and find the right clients and develop new processes for you guys.